How do I validate decimal numbers in JavaScript? Is numeric. What's the cleanest, most effective way to validate decimal numbers in JavaScript? Bonus points for clarity. Solution should be clean and simple. Cross-platform. Test cases. Some time ago I had to implement an isNumeric function to find out if a variable contained a numeric value regardless of its type. It could be a string containing a numeric value. I had to consider also exponential notation, etc. A number object. Virtually anything could be passed to that function. I couldn't make any type assumptions, taking care of type coercion. For example, plus true equals 1, but true shouldn't be considered as numeric. PS isNaN and isFinite have a confusing behavior due to forced conversion to number. In ES6, number isNaN and number isFinite would fix these issues. Keep that in mind when using them. Update. Here's how jQuery does it. 2.2 stable. And in Angular 4.3. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.